Using a Phillips head screwdriver, locate your 2 Phillips head screws on the outside part of the light, loosen and remove those. In the inside of the tailgate, we have 2 more Phillips head screws right here. Let's go ahead and loosen and remove those. These screws are a lot shorter. Grab our tail light, just pull that out, and we have a few sockets on the back. Go ahead and grab your sockets. I'm going to twist those, pull that out. I'm going to continue through the rest of these lights. Go ahead and install your lights. Just pop those in and twist them into place. Right. Now we have those bulbs in. Go ahead and line this up. Let's install our screws on the inside of the taillight. I'm going to go ahead and get these started by hand first. And then we'll go ahead and snug those down. Install our outer screws here. Once you feel that screw snug up, that's as far as you want to go. Don't over tighten these.